Hello everyone, and let's explore the Naga Bahna deep seat cushions for your outdoor patio furniture. These cushions feature high-density foam to provide ultimate support and comfort for your relaxing outdoor experience. The heavy-duty fabric is UV protected and fade-resistant to withstand various harsh weather conditions over time. You will love the water-resistant covers that make cleaning spills or stains a quick and easy task. Non-slip ties and elegant piped edges ensure these cushions stay secure while adding a sophisticated look. These versatile cushions fit perfectly on chairs or benches to enhance your garden or lounging area. Simply store them in a dry place during heavy rain to keep them looking brand new for years. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.